Morning YouTube, welcome to an unboxing video and my first impressions of the Wuben X1 Pro. I supported the initial Kickstarter campaign and for all of you who are still waiting, let's have a look inside the box. So there is the documentation first. Just put it aside for a moment. Then we have the actual light, accessories, and what should there be? A belt holster. Well, belt holster, Wuben, next time belt holster. Then we have the actual light. Wow. And I wanted the black and white design because this this boxy and edgy design look a little bit like the stormtroopers from Star Wars, and this black and white just fits to it perfectly. Let's see. Yes, there's some insulation in there. You have, of course, two separate batteries. These are 21700s, and you can, of course, recharge them, you know that. But you can exchange them. That's new and a difference to the X1, the predecessor. It has a built-in fan as well, and what I did is I ordered separate fans just in case. I don't know how long it lasts, but we'll see this, or we'll have a look at this in a moment. The design itself is not symmetrical, but you see that on this side, this part here, this inlet is much larger than the other side. So what I think is it fits perfectly for a right-handed person. It's not too big, has some weight to it. We will weight it in a second. But when you grab it this way, you can have your index finger on the bottom where the main switch is to operate the light, to turn it on and off, and of course cycle through all the lighting levels. And then with your thumb you can switch through the different modes. And let's have a closer look, because in the videos with the pre-production models some people have criticized how this switch operates, but there is no complaint. It's tight enough, but it's very precise, so you can switch from the spotlight to a mix of spot and floodlight, and then to the right side where you have just the floodlight. Quite nice. And on the left side, if you are left-handed, it's not that ergonomic, because then you have your thumb on this main button. You have to go over here, which is quite comfortable, but this is not. If you turn it around, like you would when you are a right-handed person, then of course you have your index finger below, but you can't reach the switch here. So most of the time I think it's for right-handed person. That's one disadvantage of this not identical design to both sides. But well, let's turn it on. This is the moonlight mode. Going up, woo, just to, in which mode I am, mixed mode. That would be 400 lumens. 1000 lumens, 4000 lumens, and I can feel some warmth radiating out of it. And let's go, bam, this is very bright, more than 12,000 lumens. Of course it can't hold this for longer than a minute, and then it steps down. Not sure if you can hear the fan. In a real world application it's very quiet. Sounds good, so it's not disturbing. And when you're outside you have ambience noises anyway, so it does not distract. So quite good. We said we want to weight it. 1 second. So this is with batteries. Yeah, 372 grams. Which you can feel the weight, but of course you have two batteries in there. It's complete out of metal, so quite sturdy. It's no surprise there. it is comfortable if you held it this way and just have it with you. Of course, when you have it in a pocket, it's too big and probably too bulky, too heavy. But all in all, quite nice. Now the fan, I have ordered 3 more detachable cooling fans here, just in case, you never know. And it's quite easy. You will loosen this 4 screws here, and then you can just put in this new fan. It's plug and play, basically. And then of course I ordered the detachable bicycle clip on top. This is a standard bracket, I would say. You just mount it to the frame, and then when you have this part installed on the flashlight here, you can just put it this way. You can see that you can just mount it to your bicycle. That's it for now. Beam shots will follow. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you are waiting for the Wuben X1 Pro for yourself. Let me know your thoughts about the lights, and until next time.